This is Football Fans Tribe, and here we get thoughts and reactions of football fans after matches, and we give you fantastic, juicy, and of course, amazing footballing content back to back to back. So please, if you're not subscribed to the channel, do so. Thank you. And once again, you're too much. Wolves 0, Manchester United 1. And the he talks say then day for your ticket, and that means they don't make you smile now. How is it the match?
Um, okay, though I been no day for the first half, sha, but from waiting I watch for the second half, man, you believe been come out for the second half. And thank God say them bring in Rashford because that's the only threat wey man you get now to score goal. Because Marshall is not himself. Anthony, I don't know if it's from the World Cup, the stress on the World Cup that is affecting him. So Rashford has been in form under Ten Hag.
So you don't like saying now Rashford now don't go pick that Rashford form where we know him to be. So you think say you not actually become that Rashford, or now this one I just play.
From waiting I see, the guy does a comeback to a normal self wey him been there before. He been no dey himself for like 2 years, But now he does a comeback small, and that agility, that strength, he dey bring and come in for in game. Until you see that final ball, say he reach post, he know the rest. So now be the team with that.
So you feel say make Manchester United just trust Rashford, say yes, now he go carry them go Champions League position or something.
Well, they no good for me. They no good trust them, but they feel rely on them. They feel go for somebody for this market time, go buy. But may they rely on them, because for me, if they say they want to rely on the other rest people, nobody did there. So may they carry them along. Then find another person go support them too together. But we get that mind and strength we get. Join them body.
Okay. This supposed Marcus Rashford's second goal. If you say that thing supposed to stand, or he did okay, say they chuck him off, then chuck the goal off as offside, as a man ball.
I feel say that goal supposed stand. Why I talk so be say the ball at that point Rashford no get any option. Whether na leg go, because the ball they come directly, he meets the keeper, can't hit him directly for hand. So as they hit him for hand, they also hit him for leg. So I feel say that goal supposed stand. You're not supposed to blow him as foul ball.
Okay. After the introduction of Adama Traore, you feel say in for do things, like he worried this matches on the side.
Adama Traore own that one a case on the own, but we know say now only that in body and small strength when they carry the run. But aside that, the guy no get ball sense, he no get ball skill normally. Yes. Now make it be like say they fit go stay for club where they fit play. Wolves just the manage and they put on there. It's okay. Anytime they fit bring and come in, something feel likely, if he use his strength and in body, push somebody likely chance. But when he don't see say you where they mark him, he don't sabi how to mark him. Not they fit play anything again.
No, thank you.
Thanks for watching. Right here, another one of our videos we're supposed to like, and all our social media links. I beg follow us on every platform because we get content for everybody.